So you may notice this video has no intro. I'm gonna restart intros this summer. I'm gonna start. I want to start like a better intro. So I'm gonna restart intros this summer. So I just started some, and a lot of people said they were too long. So I guess I'll just stop them for a while, and I'll restart maybe this summer. Anyway, let's get into the review of Hostess Snowballs. Just got these the other day at Dollar Tree. And yes, I have to admit, I'm really not on my diet right now. It's just things going on. I really don't care. There's things going on right now, and I really don't care about my diet. So I'm trying to not eat so much junk food, but anyway, got these at Dollar Tree the other day. So actually, that's really the only place I see these is Dollar Tree. Like pink. They kind of match my shirt right there. So yeah, I'll restart vlogs, or not vlogs, intros this summer. I'm not gonna, I'll try to use a shorter intro. But I'm not really going to use them until the summer. I'm gonna, look into other apps to do a better intro. I was using the Power Director, but I'm gonna see if there's any other apps out there that I can use to intro my videos, or put intros in my videos. These are pretty good, but like I said, I don't really care about my diet. So if you're asking about my diet, I really don't care about it right now. So I mean, I do, but I don't. So I probably put at least 10 pounds on since I last weighed myself. I probably would say maybe less than that, but I highly doubt it's less than 10. So like I said, I really don't care right now. So whatever. Anyway, on a scale rating 1 to 10, I give these a 8 out of 10. They're pretty good, but they're not my favorite Hostess snacks. I actually like the Twinkies better, but peace.